That's Caden them? That's Caden them, right? Caden on them?
What's up guys, it's JCMC Fly and I'm back here with a brand new pair of shoes. I am so excited to open these. I think these are the sneaker of the year. Here we go. Let's go. We got the Nike Street Tough Charge. You saw them at the All-Star Weekend, debuted by Cade Cunningham. Yeah, let's go. So we got the box. Looks clean. Red box. I haven't been excited for a pair of shoes in so long. And I love this because it's not a retro. This is a brand new design. Bring something new to the game. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Maganda. First time in hand. These are crazy. Oh my. First impression, definitely like a rugged outsole, hard rubber. I love that chrome Nike logo. I love this starburst like tongue with the Cade Cunningham logo. And we got the number 2 for his number. Oh my. Smells like a brand new pair of shoes. The bends here. Good thing, that means the arch is solid. Nike cooked on this one for sure. Everything about it is perfect. Now it's just trying it on and figuring out if it looks good.
Yeah. Hey, I'm doing my big one. You doing the little one. What kind of man are you? A middle one. Yeah, my brother said he want a blue beam. I'ma get him one.
Here is a closer look at the insole. As you can see, it is pretty thick and it curves up so it keeps your feet inside. Cushlon 3.0. Here's a hard plate for the arch, and then this is a Air Zoom. Used to be called Turbo, I believe. If you want to see the inside of the shoe, it looks icy. Look at that. Basically see-through. There's nothing in between. As for my final thoughts for the Nike ST Charge, I really like them. Design-wise, 10 out of 10. It's perfect. Fit, as of now, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. When I put it on, my toes, I can't wiggle the big toe and the second toe. It's very hard. Probably because this thick, hard, rugged outsole covers it. So there's not going to be much flexibility there. Kind of reminds me of when I wore my Ken Griffey 1s as a kid. It's very tight. However, it is wide enough for a wide footer like me. I'm around 2E, 4E. It's good. And then, but the cushion setup is really soft, responsive, especially with the Zoom Turbo, and then that thick drop-in midsole. The only thing I don't like though is how the material of the insole is gripped to your sock. Like when I'm putting my foot in, my sock is already getting pulled. It's getting pulled because it's already gripping to this insole. I kind of like the conventional feel where you can just slide your foot in. All in all, I'm really excited to wear this shoe going out or even playing some basketball. They're just too nice for me to get dirty. But thank you so much for watching. Shout out Nike, shout out Cade Cunningham. That's Cade and him, right? Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.